What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how you promote ClickBank products quick, easy, and free. All right? If that's something you want to hear more about, then stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to promote ClickBank products quick, easy, and free. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate internet digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that little notification bell to be notified daily when I come out with these videos. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Now, if you do happen to have any questions about today's content, post them down below, and I will be happy to reply. Now, if you guys are more interested in a passive income, one that can bring you $100 to $300 every single day, then go down to the first link in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and click that link and I'll send you some more information. All right, let's get on with today's video and get started here. So we're going to start with ClickBank. All right, as in the title, we're talking about ClickBank products and how you can promote them in quick, easy, and free way. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to clickbank.com, create an account if you don't already have one. If you don't already have one and you are beginning in affiliate marketing, then you need to get one. Okay, so get one of these accounts because this is a great place to start to promote products and so many different niches. They got thousands of products, and it's a great place, and it's easy for affiliates beginning in this space to actually practice. All right, because you need to practice with promoting because it's not real easy. It's easy once you figure it out, but it takes a lot of work. All right, so after we do that, we're going to log into the marketplace, and I've already pre-selected some stuff here. So you go to marketplace, all right, and you go through these different niches. Now, here's a secret: you want to pick a niche that you're passionate about, but if you want to pick one that's profitable, it should be in health, wealth, or romance. All right, those are the top 3 niches. Those are evergreen, and there's always somebody that has a pain point with those niches. All right, so what we can do today is we're going to go with the health niche, okay, because it's the easiest one. Everybody understands it. Everybody's tried to lose weight before or try to get healthy or something. All right. So we're going to go with this fat disseminator, and it gives you $29 per sale. What you want to do here is you want to actually search by popularity or gravity. A lot of people say just search by gravity, but you can go to popularity too, and you just want your gravity to be above 40, 50. Okay. I like it to be above 50. So that just means it's making sales at the current moment. Okay, popularity is this is a very popular product. People like this product. Okay, and we're going to go with this fat disseminator, and it was a new 2018 launch in November, so it's good for this month. So let's go check it out. Okay, and it tells you right here, kind of gives you like a little idea of what you get. You get 90% commission, and it's got 8% conversions, and there's four pieces. Okay, so your initial sale is going to be $23, and the average sales are 76 average rebill. So it's got a rebill, okay, and it's got some upsells. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is check out the sales page. So we click this and we check out the sales page, and it brings us to this page here. So it shows us, here's a quick video. It plays and it'll tell us exactly what this is for, and it tells you like, wait, you're almost there. In the next 2 minutes, everything will be revealed. Okay, so you want to pay attention to the sales page and make sure it looks clean and easy. It's not too confusing. This one's straight to the point. It's not confusing. It's $37. Add to cart. Boom, we're done. Okay, so this is a pretty good sales page. And look, as you're leaving, it gives you a pop-up, says, hey, do you want to read about her weight loss struggle? Okay, so you can go here and it'll actually give you some more information about Sharon's weight loss story. Okay, it'll give you some information on some people, and it's just more sales and with testimonials, etc. So this is a really good sales page. I like it. I would go with this to promote. Okay, it's got a lot of potential here to start. Okay, so here's another pop-up. So if they went, well, let me go check it out. Now they can get 20% off by, okay, maybe I do want to get this now. Okay, so that's very good sales page. So next thing we want to do is check out the affiliate page. So you come to the affiliate page and it's like, do you want to be an affiliate or not? Blah blah blah. A lot of these companies they'll ask you to, you have to sign up to be an affiliate. So you just say yes, I want to be an affiliate. Give them your name and email address, and it takes you to this page. Okay, so you want a good affiliate page. You want to log into these and check them all because you want an affiliate page that gives you like uh, your affiliate link looks good. There's product that you can use, email swipes, banners, videos, uh, case studies, etc., etc. Okay, so this one has a bunch of stuff. So it's got free ebooks you can use, free reports, email swipes, product images, customer demographic. It's got all this already broke down for you. So somebody already spent thousands of dollars putting all this stuff together. So this is what you want. And you also want to look at see if you can find something about their upsells. Okay, so you come through here and you're looking for something that, okay, so you get $300 per sale. So you can make up to $300 per sale with their upsells. So you got 4 upsells and it looks like 75% commission on your first sale and it just keeps going up, okay? So it says 80% of customers purchase the upsells. So that's pretty good. You just want to check out, make sure the page looks legit, okay? And this does. So what we want to do is we found this, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to go to YouTube and we want to create an account, okay? And doing a review. You don't have to do this on your main YouTube channel. You can create as many YouTube channels off your channel as you want, okay? I don't know if you already knew that or not, but you can search we're not going to go into that in this detail in this video, but you can search on YouTube and find how to create multiple channels off your channel. Okay, so you can maybe you want to do a weight loss channel and review stuff or review weight loss materials or something like that. Okay, but what we want to do is we want to do a review on this product. Okay, so you come in here, you just fat disseminator. Oh no, wait, yeah, that's it. Fat disseminator system. You come in here and you can just search that and see what it comes up with. All right. You don't really have to even search this. I'm just searching to see how much stuff is out there. It looks like a lot of people are doing this. But what you want to do is maybe you don't want to talk about fat disseminator. Maybe you want to talk about a weight loss journey or something like that. Okay. This is a niche that you're passionate about. So maybe you already have a weight loss journey. You can promote this in that product. Okay. You can also just do a product review like these people are. And like here's her, she's doing a product review. She's doing a product review. So guys, you just go through here and be real, all right? Tell a story of something that helped you get weight off your body and you use this product, all right? So that's all you do and then you put your link in your description and you do that with as many products as you can and you'll eventually start making sales. And that is the free method, okay? So what you want to do is you want to do a video on this, and then you want to go over like Quora or someplace like that and answer questions and point them back to a video that you're actually talking about this product, okay? So that's methods that you can get more traffic to your Facebook or to your YouTube channel. You can also go to Facebook groups and do the same exact thing. You don't actually tell them what you're talking about. You just point them back to your YouTube video that talks about this product. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to this. I know everybody's getting so tired of this freaking sales funnel, but this is very important. What you want to also do is have a funnel in place, guys. You can't just shoot them straight to the offer. You have to have an opt-in page, you have to have a bridge page, and you have to have something that points to that sales page, okay? And if you don't have software to do this, you can use ClickFunnels or you can use Builderall if you're looking for something more affordable. And there's a link down in the description to get Builderall, get a free 7-day trial, sign up, build an opt-in page, build a bridge page, and point them to your sales page so you have an email campaign going and all that fun stuff. They give you the email swipe so you can create like a 7-day email campaign or something like that. For keeps pointing the people back to the sales page. So guys, this is a very important piece, all right? If you don't have this piece in place, then you're going to be in trouble, okay? Like I said, Builderall is a good tool because it's a very inexpensive product. You can get it for $29 or $49 if you want to be an affiliate of the product, so you can get it for free, or just spend $29 a month, which is very cheap, and you have the sales funnel, the website builders, the email, all that fun stuff all in there included. Okay, so you don't have to go out and purchase all this other stuff like ClickFunnels and GetResponse and all this other stuff. All right, so that's the easy way to promote your ClickBank products. And this can be done with any niche in ClickBank. It's just you want to actually go out there, find products, find stuff that you're passionate about and you want to be an affiliate of. Again, guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you felt like this content was of some value. And if you are interested in a passive income, click the link in the description. My number one recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you some information over. All right, guys, peace out and have a great day.